thereby strengthening interoperability between the armed forces, elevating cooperative activities, and deepening overall defense and military cooperation.
Mas pinadaling pakikipagtulungan at pagsasanay. Ito ang inaasahan sa nilagdaang Status of Visiting Forces Agreement o SVFA sa pagitan ng Pilipinas at New Zealand. Pumirma sa kasunduan si Defense Secretary Gilberto Teodoro Jr. at New Zealander Defense Minister Judith Collins. Ang SVFA ay isang treaty-level document kung saan nakapaloob ang detalye ng military cooperation ng dalawang bansa, kabilang ang tungkol sa legal responsibility at obligasyon ng Pilipinas at New Zealand sa isa't isa. Ito ay isa lang sa mga kasunduan na bunga ng 2024 Mutual Logistics Supporting Arrangement at 2012 Defense Cooperation Arrangement ng dalawang bansa.
Binigyan din naman ni Pangulong Ferdinand Marcos Jr. ang halaga ng pagbuo ng mga kasunduan na kritikal sa panahong ito.
I think it is well recognized that these partnerships have become very important in the face of all that is happening, not only in our region. It began just our region, but it's now unfortunately extended to the rest of the world. But nonetheless, those partnerships that we have formed and that we have, the agreements that we have made, bilaterally and on a multilateral basis as well, have been extremely important.
Kinilala naman ng New Zealand official ang lumalalim na relasyon ng dalawang bansa.
It's the relationship between the Philippines and New Zealand, I believe, is very strong.
Sa pamamagitan ng SVFA, papayagan na ang military exercises sa teritoryo ng isa't isa. Matapos ang pirmahan, dadaan ang kasunduan sa pag-aproba ng Senado ng Pilipinas. Nel Maribuhok, UNTV News and Rescue. Diyos ang aming sandigan, serbisyo publiko ang aming pinahalagahan.